All right, Brody, look. So this switch right here is the outlet, right? And this switch right here is the L1 for the burner, right? So I took the light switch to power the smoke alarm, the rib relay, and the rib relay inside, right? So now, right now, if I turn this on, these things should turn on. But before that, this one is tied into the burner circuit. So if I turn this one on, the burner should be off still, right? Because it's on automatic on the switch. But let's say something was to happen to this, all this, right? They can just hit this, and now they have power to the burner. That's if something was to go wrong, because it's powered from the outlet. So now I'm gonna put it back on automatic. Boom, it's on automatic, power's off, right? Switch is still on, right? Now I'm gonna put this thing on. Boom, that's on, automatic, that's on, and that's on. Now from here, the burner should now kick on after its delay. There should be a delay. All right, we're waiting for the delay. Unless the boiler's off because it's satisfied. This boiler was just running. Let's see if it's satisfied. Where's the aquastat? Damn, the aquastat's over there. All right, let's get to the aquastat. Now, let's go this way. Where's the screwdriver? Let's see if it's off on the limit. But you see that the power's on. It's just probably off on the limit. There it goes. Off on the limit. You feel me? Right there. And the burner turns on. And that, my friend, is done.